guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be making a Santa hat, and the colors we'll be needing are the red yarn and the white yarn and a 3.5 mm hook, slip knots, and chain up to 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 80 chains. For the first round, DC in all the chains. Skip the first chain, move into the next and double crochet. Make double crochets in all the chains. To end round 1, slip stitch on top of the first DC. For round 2, chain 1 and in the same stitch make your DC. Continue making 1 DC in each of these stitches. To end round 2, slip stitch in the first DC, at the top of the first DC, like so. And for the next 4 rounds, keep repeating round 2. Now I have 6 rounds and I'm moving on to round 7. For round 7, this is where we start shaping our Santa hat. Chain 1 and DC and 2 together DC. To do that, DC but without decreasing. So you have 4 loops. Move on to the next stitch. Bring out another loop to have 5 loops on your hook. Now yarn over to make it 6 loops. Now reduce from 6 to 2 loops. Yarn over again and reduce from 3 loops to 1 loop. Continue making 1 DCs in the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 2 together DC. Move on to the next stitch. Bring out another loop. Yarn over to make it 6 loops on your crochet hook. Reduce from 6 loops to 4 loops. Yarn over again and reduce from 3 loops to 1 loop. After your second decrease, make 7 DCs without any decrease. So 1 DCs in the next 7 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make your 2 together decrease. So continue making 2 together decrease and 1 DC in the next 7 stitches for the rest of round 7. I've gotten to the end of round 7. slip stitch in the first DC. Now I have a total of 9 two together decrease. For round 8, chain 1 and DC and 1 DC in each of the stitches. No decrease. Just keep making 1 DCs. For round 8. To round up round 8, my last DC and slip stitch. So as you can see, there's a decrease already. For round 6, it was 84 rows. It was 84 DCs. Now for round 8, we have 74 DCs. So for round 9, we are going to make our decrease again, our two together decrease. DC, 1 DC in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 together in the next 2 stitches. 2 together decrease. Then 1 DC again in the next 6 stitches. Two together in the next 2 together decrease in the next 2 stitches. So keep repeating this pattern for round 9. For round 10, 1 DCs in each of the stitches, no decrease. Round 11, chain 1 and 2 together decrease. 1 DC in the next 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5. Followed by your 2 together decrease. Then 5 DCs. Two together decrease. Round 13, chain 1, 2 together decrease. 1 DC in the next 4 stitches, followed by 2 together decrease. And 4 DCs. Round 15, chain 1, 2 together decrease. 1 DC in the next 3 stitches, followed by 2 together decrease. Round 17, chain 1, 2 together decrease, 1 DC in the next 2 stitches, followed by 2 together decrease. Round 19, chain 1, 2 together decrease, 1 DC only, then 2 together decrease, 1 DC only. For round 21, 2 together decrease, 2 together decrease only. To end the round, slip stitch, and for the last round, chain 1 and DC, only 1 DCs. You should have about 8 or 9 DCs. Chain 1 and cut. Now turn your work and finish off this part with a slip stitch. Weave in your yarn to hide it. Introduce the white yarn like so. And DC is in all the stitches, 1 DC in all the stitches. And end with a slip stitch. Start by making front post and back post DC. So you push to the front to make your front post DC, push to the back to make your back post DC. To end the second round of the white yarn, slip stitch, and for the third round, chain 1. Next stitch here is the back post DC. You make back post DC followed by front post DC. So any stitch you make, any stitch you see here, you repeat the same stitch. So now I am to make back post DC followed by front post DC, then back post DC, followed by front. So keep repeating what you see for your third round. I'm done with my final round. Weave in your ends. That's how to make the band. So now I'm going to proceed by attaching my pom-pom to this part. But before I do that, I'm going to close up this hole. You can see there's a hole here. So I'm going to close it up with a needle and thread. Now we're going to attach our pom-pom to the apex of our santahat. And to do that, still retain this wool and thread, this thread and needle, still leave it like this. Then insert your hook into your heart. Pass it through your heart, like so. And you tie. Then you do this to secure the pom-pom. Then for extra, you can see that it's still not firm. Needle and thread, pass it through your pom-pom. Look for the center, then look for the center here as well. Then pass it through the center, like so. And try to, then pass it inside again repeatedly for 2 to 3 times, so it can be firm enough. So you can see that it's firm. And that's how to make your santahat. So the last thing I like to do here is to increase the length. And to do this, I steam my hat. If you don't have a steamer, you spray with water first. Just a little bit of water, you spray with water, and then you use your pressing iron. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.